All ears, unraveling the secrets of this engaging English phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idiomatic expressions. Specifically, we'll explore the phrase, all ears. It's a common saying, yet its meaning and usage can sometimes be puzzling for English learners. So, let's unravel its secrets together and find out how you can use it effectively in your daily conversations. All ears is an idiomatic expression used to indicate that someone is giving their full attention to what is being said. It's a figurative way of saying that a person is listening intently and eagerly. The phrase creates an image in our minds that all parts of a person have become ears, symbolizing the height of attentiveness. Tracing back to the origins of this phrase adds an interesting twist to its understanding. While its exact origins are unclear, it's believed to have arisen from the way we emphasize the importance of listening by referring to the ears. Over time, saying someone is all ears became a playful and vivid way of stressing that they are completely focused on listening. Now, how do you use all ears in actual conversation? Here are a few scenarios. 1. In response to a request for attention. When someone asks if you're ready to listen, you can say, I'm all ears, indicating you're ready and eager to hear what they have to say. 2. In informal settings, this phrase is typically used in casual or informal conversations. It's not commonly used in formal contexts. 3. Expressing enthusiasm. When you want to show that you are really interested in hearing more about a topic, using I'm all ears can convey your enthusiasm effectively. While all ears is unique, there are other expressions that convey similar meanings. Phrases like, lend me your ear, or I'm listening, also indicate attentiveness. However, all ears has a more playful and enthusiastic tone. It's important to avoid some common mistakes. 1. Don't use informal situations. All ears is best suited for informal contexts. 2. Context is key. Ensure that the situation is appropriate for this phrase. It's ideal for showing enthusiasm and attentiveness, but not for solemn or serious matters. And that's a wrap on all ears. I hope this video has been informative and engaging, helping you add a colorful expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions is not just about memorizing them, but understanding their usage and context. Happy learning, and I'm all ears for any questions or comments you might have.